Namaskar friends, myself Dr. Gaurang Joshi, International Eye Physician from Atharo Multispeciality Ayurveda Hospital and Research Center, Rajkot. As you know, I am posting lots of holistic health related posts on the YouTube, and in this series of health and wellness through Ayurveda. Now today we'll discuss about dry eye syndrome. Dry eye syndrome is very common problem right now because people are using gadgets like laptop, mobile and televisions, particularly those who are working from on the IT firm. They are very much habitual to use these gadgets, and because they are using this frequently and particularly in current lockdown condition across the globe, people have increased the use of laptop, cell phone, television, and they have increased the screen times, and that is why this problem is now a global problem, and we definitely need to concentrate how we can minimize or we can get rid of this problem, and that's why I decided to talk with you regarding this thing. So first we know what is dry eye. Dry eyes are simply lack of moistures in the eyes. This can happen either because of the reduced tear secretion or because of the poor quality of the tear. In this condition, tears get evaporated from very fastly. The tears in the eyes help in the vision by providing moisture and lubricating to the eyes. Dry eye is something that affect corneas and conjunctiva, and that may lead some complications related to the visions. So we must focus on this issue very carefully. The causes of these dry eye syndromes are dusty, dry or windy weather, excessive stay in the air conditioning or hot weather, staring the TV, mobile or computer screen for longer duration without blinking is a big reason of dryness of eyes. Prolonged use of contact lenses, that is also we need to consider. Those who are using the contact lenses, be careful, right? Dryness of eyes by side effects of some medicines. Some of you are taking some medicines may lead to this condition also. Smoking or use of tobacco in any other form. People can get dry eyes after some LASIK surgery like cataract surgery or any other eye surgery. That is also one of the reasons. Due to certain medications like those prescribed for anxiety, depression, allergy, heartburn, they also may lead to this condition. Pregnant women are at more risk of this condition. People with certain diseases like arthritis, thyroid, etc., they are also having this problem. So this is also one of the positive factor. Some aging process is very common, and vitamin A deficiency is also one of the main positive factors in getting dry eyes. So we need to know what are the possible symptoms of these dry eyes. That is red eyes, burning of eyes, gritty feeling in the eyes, feels like there is something inside your eyes, that is a gritty feeling, mucus formation in the eyes or areas surrounding the eyes, excessive tear formation in the eyes, that is also one of the symptoms, pain in the eyes, stinging sensation in the eyes, headaches and blurred vision, photophobia, that is sensitivity to light. So these are the common symptoms of dry eye, and you should consult any eye consultant or any eye specialist if you are having this problem for the proper diagnosis and further treatment of this experience. Now with dry eye treatment, we need to know how Ayurveda can be helpful. So Ayurveda, it is possible to cure this disease permanently if you go for proper Ayurvedic line of treatment. An Ayurvedic eye specialist finds the root cause of the problem and treats the dry eye disease with a holistic approach. So what we are doing, we are focusing on the causative factor. First we need to remove, or we need to avoid the causative factors, and then if you can go for some appropriate line of treatment in Ayurveda, that definitely may helpful you to solve this problem. So the doctor uses the Ayurvedic medicines and Panchakarma therapies. That is very important. So what are the treatments in Ayurveda? According to Ayurveda, dry eyes is mainly caused by the imbalance of Vata dosha. Sometimes Pitta is also getting involved, associated with Vata. Therefore, the condition of how to cure dry eye permanently sometimes become worry. The process of dry eye treatment in Ayurveda starts with the fixing this imbalance. Hence, Ayurveda medicines of dry eyes and Panchakarma therapies are used for the lubrication of the eyes and for the purification of the body. So what we can do, we can go for some Ayurvedic procedures like Virechan treatment, some Nasya treatment, some Netradhara, some Shirodhara, some Lepanas, some Shvedana, Tarpana. These are the treatment. If you feeling this experience in very early stage, patients are given some oral Ayurvedic medicines too, and Ayurvedic eye drops for the eyes to remove the symptoms and of the disease. So this Ayurvedic medicines for dry eye is given about 4 to 6 months, and gradually that normals the tear secretions. So in the advanced stage of the disease, we can go for the purification treatment like a Panchakarma, right? Now I want to tell you some home remedies. If you are not able to visit any eye specialist or any Ayurvedic specialist, those who are working on the eye, you can go for do hot fermentation over the closed eyelids by dropping cotton or cloth in the solution made from 1 bowl of water and 2 pinches of boric powder. This is very simple thing. You can prepare it at your home. Apply filtered cow ghee in the eyes only at bedtime. Put sesame oil 3 drops in both nostrils daily morning, empty stomach. Increase the intake of ghee, that is clarified butter, in your diet. And very simple thing, you can use rose water. You just wash your eyes and drop some drops of rose water. That also will helpful to control your dry eye syndromes. Now what we can do, we need to go for the prevention, as Ayurveda always believes in prevention. So what we can do, what we need to change in our lifestyle, what we can avoid. Take breaks during the long hours of working on the computer screen. If possible, avoid air to contact the eyes directly, right? Wear sunglasses if you go outside in very hot condition. Avoid smoking. Use an air purifier in the home. Start blinking more whenever you are looking at the screen. Try to limit your screen time. If you are using frequent mobile or television or laptop, try to reduce your screen time. Keep the temperature of the room moderate. Avoid visiting dry climates as much as possible, and limits the use of gadgets, laptops, smartphones and tablets. That is very essential. Always clean your makeup before sleeping, particularly for the females, those who are doing makeup regularly. Before go to sleep, properly clean your makeup, otherwise it may irritate your eyes and that may also produce the dry eye. Make a habit, cleanse the eye regularly. So this is a proper solution. I have described the symptoms, line of treatment, home remedies and prevention. So hope this will help you to protect you from the dry eye syndromes. Friends, you can visit our website atharvaayurveda.com, or if you want to consult us, you can book our appointment through WhatsApp. Our number is +91 98 251 63953. Namaste.